Hi, I'm Mason. Today, I'm going to learn about static electricity. Static electricity is a buildup of an electric charge. The charge builds up when electrons are transferred. And a shock happens when electrons flow quickly between charged objects. The object that gives up electrons is positively charged, and the object that gets electrons is negatively charged. Like charges repel each other, and opposite charges attract. Combing your hair takes away electrons, leaving your hair with a positive charge. Because the like charges repel each other, it makes your hair stand up. If you shuffle across carpet and pick up electrons, those electrons can transfer if you touch a person or a doorknob, and that causes a shock. Lightning is also a static shock. A negative charge comes down from a cloud towards the ground, and a positive charge comes up from the ground, usually from taller objects. When they meet, it creates a big static discharge. Remember this the next time you get zapped by a doorknob. Please subscribe for more videos.